You guys, this next product is gonna knock your socks off. Hi everyone, today I'm showing you a few items that select members can choose for the winter 2020 box. Let's get started. First, we have the Kate Spade set of 2 workout socks with grips, and they're perfect for bar, Pilates, or any other workout that requires some extra grip on the floor. The open design on the top makes these socks super comfortable and breathable throughout your whole entire workout. They also have an ankle strap that makes sure that they stay on your feet the entire time. If you're like me and you're doing a lot of your workouts at home right now, you know, nothing's worse than when you're following along, you're in a downward dog, and you start slipping and sliding all over the place. But these have you covered because the grips on the bottom really make sure that you're secured to that ground. Next, we have the TULA Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This can be used for under or on top of makeup for an instant pick-me-up. It's made with caffeine, aloe, and hyaluronic acid to smooth and moisturize. This balm also includes rosehip oil, which is a plant-based retinol alternative, and you know that we love retinol in our skincare routine. You can apply this after moisturizing in a 360-degree angle around your eye for a super brightening effect, and you can also use it as a nice little highlight right on your cheekbones. You can apply and reapply throughout the day for an energized under eye look. It has a nice pink undertone to it. It easily rubs into the skin. The formula is definitely buildable, so if you don't want too bright of a pop, you don't have to use a lot, but you know, if you're like me and you love that good highlight, you just pack this baby on. Next, we have the Voir Haircare Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. It's a moisturizing weekly hair mask that is super creamy but also really lightweight. It's formulated with natural butters, oil, and botanicals that help to lock in nutrients and promote scalp health. This mask reduces sebum buildup, which helps give your hair that glossy sheen. Use this after you shampoo for 2 to 3 minutes for, you know, just a quickie little scalp detox, or use this after you shower for 15 to 20 minutes on towel dried hair for an even deeper locked in condition. I love the smell of this mask. It definitely smells like watermelon, cucumber, honeysuckle. The scent is definitely like summery, springy vibes, but if you need to escape the cold of winter, you know, you could do it right there in your shower. You're welcome. Next, we have the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. This mask is good for all skin types and has aloe vera to help infuse hydration into your skin. This has Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid to help plump the skin and infuse moisture. After you cleanse, apply this to your face, neck, and décolletage. Leave it on all night long while you get your beauty sleep. Wake up in the morning and gently wash it off. For a quicker treatment, you can actually use this and then just wash it off within 15 minutes. Ooh, now this is something I can get behind. Oh my god, it smells like a spa. The formula is super jelly and smooth. This is definitely a product that I would use in my daily skincare routine because I live for a gel mask. They're just so soothing. Like this video if you love a good overnight mask. This next product is gonna knock your socks off. These are the Muck Luxe cabin socks with the cutest little pom-pom design. These socks have faux fur lining on the inside that is super soft, and a non-skid Muck Luxe logo that is perfect for gripping the ground. Maybe you're not going to the cabin. Maybe you're like me and you can't afford a cabin. But you know what I can afford? A cabin in my mind, rent-free. In my cabin, you'll find me sitting in my Muck Luxe cabin socks, drinking a hot cocoa, cuddling with my cat. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Comment down below and let me know what the cabin in your mind looks like. So that's it for this category. If you're not already a FabFitFun member, make sure you sign up at FabFitFun.com, and I'll see you next season.